In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change a phone number on your Facebook business page. Keeping your business phone number up to date on Facebook is really important. It helps customers reach you easily, builds trust, and makes your page look professional. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps inside Meta Business Suite so you can quickly update your phone details. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can usually get there by visiting the Meta Business Suite link or by going to your Facebook business page and clicking through to Business Tools or Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that manages the business page you want to edit. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, you'll land on the home dashboard for your business. From the home screen, look for the option to edit your Facebook page. This is often labeled something like Edit Facebook Page or View Page with an Edit button. Click on that. This will open up your page settings area where you can change details like your business name, category, address, and of course your phone number. On the page details screen, scroll until you find the section for your contact information. Here, you should see a line for your phone number. Next to the phone number field, there will be a small pen or pencil icon. This icon means edit. Click on the pen icon to start changing your phone settings. A window or panel will open where you can adjust your phone number. At the top of this area, you'll see a drop-down for the country code. Click on the country code drop-down and choose the country where your business phone number is registered. This is important because it ensures your number is formatted correctly and that customers from that country can dial it without issues. After selecting the correct country code, click into the main phone number field. Type in the phone number you want to display on your Facebook business page. Double check the digits to make sure there are no mistakes and avoid adding extra spaces or symbols that aren't needed. When you're happy with the number you've entered, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom of the window. Click on Save to apply your changes. Your Facebook business page will now show the updated phone number, and customers will be able to see and use it right away.